Thank you for taking the time and joining us here today as we present on our digital stage Nritya Parva, a new beginning, an 8-day event exemplifying the rich classical dance styles of India. We want to thank everyone who tuned in yesterday as we premiered and showcased the rich artistry and performances of our masters. Today, we are deeply honored to present the next set of prominent masters, widely known and acknowledged for having deep passion, respect and discipline for Indian classical dance. Welcome to the second day of Nritya Parva. The first artist for the evening is Vaidehi Relila. Coming from a family of traditional Indian classical dancers, Vaidehi has always been inclined and mesmerized by dance, music, drama and our own Indian traditional culture. Thus, having learned all these three varied classical forms such as Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam and Kathakali is not a surprise. She holds a postgraduate degree in performing arts from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya and currently pursuing PhD in dance. She is a graded artist of Doordarshan, Mumbai. She has performed nationally and internationally in festivals such as Khajuraho Dance Festival, Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, Konark Dance Festival, Mumbai International Festival and more. She is currently under the tutelage of Sangeet Natak Awardee and Maharashtra Gaurav Puraskar recipient Guru Shri Deepak Muzumdar to hone her skills further in Bharatanatyam. Let's all welcome Vaidehi Relila.
Namaskar. My pranams and suswagatam to all the viewers of this festival. Today, I am very glad to present one of my most dearest student, Vaidehi, who is so brilliant, intellectual and graceful dancer. Today, she is presenting before you Shiva Vandana, a kruti from Shankaracharya's beautiful text, Pratah Smarami Shivam. Early dawn, I worship Lord Shiva. He is the supreme of the Trinity. He is the creator. He is the sustainer and He is the destroyer of this universe. He has no akara and yet He has akara. It is from Nirguna Nirakara to Saguna Sakara and the journey from Saguna Sakara to the Nirguna Nirakara. That Shiva who rides Nandi, who has Damru in his hand, trident on the other hand, Ardhangi, the half body has been given to his consort Parvati. He is Ardhanarishwara, he Sarveshwara, he the one who is Yogi, he is Mahayogi, and Panchakshara, which will be followed by this shloka, Na Ma Shi Va Ya. And these 5 names are also the elements of Panchatattva. He is beyond this Panchatattva and He, the one who created these elements on this universe. Let us see Vaidehi presenting a beautiful kruti of Shankaracharya, sung by my dearest friend O.S. Arun. Namaskar.
भवभीति हरो सुरेशम् गंगाधर वृषभवाहनमम्बिकेशम् गटाङ्गशूल वरदाभय हस्तमीशम् संसाररोग हरमौषधम् अद्वितीयम् प्रातर्नमामि गिरीशम् गिरिजातदेवम् सागस्थिति प्रलयकारणम् विश्वेश्वरं विजित विश्व मनोभिरामम् संसार रोग हरमौषधम् अद्वितीयम् प्रातर्भजामि शिवमेकम् अनन्तमाद्यं वेदान्तं वेद्यमनघं पुरुषं महान्तं नामादिभेदरहितं नामादिभेदरहितं षड्भावशून्यं संसाररोग हरमौषधम् अद्वितीयम् संसाररोग हरमौषधम् अद्वितीयम् संसाररोग हरमौषधम् अद्वितीयम् संसाररोग हरमौषधम् नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगराय महेश्वराय नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगराय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमदनाथ महेश्वराय मंदाकिनी सलिल चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमदनाथ महेश्वराय मंदारमूर्त्या बहु पुष्पसुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय मंदारमूर्त्या बहु पुष्पसुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्षाग्र नाशकाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्षाग्र नाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिवाय नमः शिवाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय चंद्रार्क वैश्वानर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय चंद्रार्क वैश्वानर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय पंचाक्षरमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् शिवसंज्ञितौ शिवलोकमाप्नोत् शिवेन सह मोदते शिवेन शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय
The next artist this evening is Dr. Umarele. Dr. Umarele is the principal of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, a premier institution with its unique position in the world of dance and education. She holds a doctorate degree in dance from the University of Mumbai and currently an appointed member of the ad hoc Board of Studies and various other committees of the University of Mumbai. She has received many accolades, awards, and citations in the recognition of her contribution to art. For decades, she has trained various subjects both in theory and practice and extensively dealt with students up to the graduation and post-graduation level. Dr. Uma is a part of the accessible pool of the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, University Grants Commission. She has performed in many festivals and prestigious stages in India and abroad, leading the outstanding Team Nalanda. Please help me welcome Dr. Umarele, who is very dear to the IIT family, for all the support and blessings she has been showering on us and our students for over the years.
And now, let us move to the next Kriti. And this Kriti will be presented by my senior-most disciple and the principal of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, Umarele. This has been composed by my revered Guru, Dr. Padma Bhushan Srimati Kanakareli ji. Here, the Nayika is the ardent devotee of Lord Krishna. And this Kriti is of Maharaja Swati Tirunal. And here he says, Kanha, kab mere ghar aoge. Here, what is ghar? Ghar is your own body. And the Nayika says that, O Kana, I'm waiting for you. When will you come and reside in my heart, in my house, in my home? And she's pining away. At times she's Virahot Kantita. At times she's Swadhina Bhadraka. At times she's Kalhantarita. And at times she's Vipralabdha. The beautiful combinations of these emotions are turmoiled and weaved together to present this beautiful Nayika. And when she realizes that Lord is everywhere and He is in my heart too, and thus at the end she says, Kanha, ab more ghar aaye. When she realizes that I don't have to hunt Him, not at the Vrindavan, not in the temple, but He is the one who is there with me in my heart, and He is alive with my heartbeats, that Lord Krishna. She realizes and she says, I am your Dasi, I am your servant. Please accept my prayers and take me along with you. The Krishna Bhakti by Umarele.
तेरी अली गोरी काना कब घर मोरे आए। तेरी अली गोरी काना कब घर मोरे आए। अपने मदीने में सोवत थी जब अपने मदीने में सुपने में हार गए काना सुपने में हार गए काना सुपने में हार गए गोकुल
Deepak Mazumdar. One of the most respected names in classical dance in India, Guru Deepak Mazumdar is an artist par excellence. Guru Deepak is known for his deep sensitivity and subtlety in Abhinaya and a mesmerizing presence. His scholarly approach lends an in-depth understanding of characters and a unique perspective in their expression. He is also a very imaginative and versatile choreographer and a Natwanar. His creative works and presentations have won him many honors and accolades, apart from winning the hearts of his spectators who are often left spellbound, which we will witness today. He is the recipient of the prestigious Senior National Scholarship instituted by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and is also the A+ top grade artist of the Doordarshan Kendra. Recently, he has been honored with the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Award for his contribution to dance by the Government of India. Some of his other prestigious awards include the Rajya Sanskritik Puraskar, Maharashtra Gaurav, Nartana Nipuna, Nritya Mauli, Kanaka Nartana Puraskar, Sambrama Puraskar, Jai Samskriti Award, honored by Hema Malini, to name a few. Guru Deepak Mazumdar credits his artistic merits to his mentor and guide, Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele and Kalaimani Sri Kadirvelu Pillai, for honing his flair for rhythm and Natwanam. Let's all welcome on the IID digital stage Guru Deepak Mazumdar.
And now, I present my own item, which has been choreographed by my loving Guru for my birthday. This particular item is very, very close to my heart. And this is the gift from Kanakji to me. Here, Nandanar, who is a very poor born in the low caste, and thus he is not allowed to enter the temple, and thus he is longing for the glimpse of Lord Shiva. He has heard about him, he has heard about his Rupa, but he never got ever to see the Lord. He goes to the temple courtyard, and there also he was being thrown. And he says that I created Mridangam for you, the percussion which your devotees can play into the temple, but you have created me, and I am only not allowed in this temple. So much so that even Nandi blocks my view, and I cannot even see you. He requests Nandi to move away, and finally the stone Nandi moves away, and he is granted the bliss of darshana. Who is this Nandi? Nandi is your own ignorance, and that ignorance, when it moves, you can have the glimpse of Lord who resides in your heart. You don't need a temple again. You don't need the things to worship Him. Not the Japamala, not the Yagna, not the lamp. You can worship Him in your mind, and He appears before you. I am presenting before you Nandanar, a most beautiful and the dearest item of mine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
ॐ नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय வேதங்களாடமிகு ஆகமமாட கீதங்களாட அகிலரண்டம் ஏழாட பூதங்களாட புவனமுழுதாட நாதம் கொண்டாடினான் ஞானானந்த கூத்தே குனித்த புருவமும் கோவை செவ்வாயில் கோவின் சிரிப்பும் பனித்த சடையும் குனித்த புருவமும் கோவை செவ்வாயில் கோவின் சிரிப்பும் பனித்த சடையும் பவளம் போல் மேனியில் பால்வெண்ணீரும் இனித்தமுடைய எடுத்த नमस्ते नमस्ते चिदानन्दमूर्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते तपोयोगगम्या नमस्ते नमस्ते श्रुतिज्ञानगम्या வருகலமோ ஐயா வருகலமோ ஐயா வருகலமோ ஐயா வருகலமோ ஐயா உந்தன் அருகில் நின்று கொண்டு ஆடவும் பாடவும் ஆடவும் பாடவும் கொண்டாடவும் பாடவும் வருகலமோ ஐயா பரமகிருபாநிதி அல்லவோ பரமகிருபாநிதி அல்லவோ இந்த பறைய நீ கூப்பச்சாரம் சொல்லவோ இந்த பறைய நீ கூப்பச்சாரம் சொல்லவோ உந்தன் பரமானந்த தாண்டவும் பாகவே நனங்கே உந்தன் பரமானந்த தாண்டவும் பாகவே நனங்கே வருகலமோ ஐயா வருகலமோ ஐயா வருக நமோ ஐயா ஆடிய காலும் அதிரி சிலம்போசையும் பாடிய பாட்டும் பலவான காட்டமும் ஆடிய காலும் அதிரி சிலம்போசையும் பாடிய பாட்டும் பலவான ஆட்டமும் ஆடிய காலும்
And I thank Dimple for curating this festival on a global platform to make available the richest heritage of our India to all you dearest viewers. I am very happy. I bless her and wish her for many more to create such platform internationally. Thank you so much.